Hi, welcome to my channel, and I'm here today for the swatches of the NYX lipstick. So let's start. I'll be also including my Nivea and my MAC products. So let's start with this two NYX lip liner. This one is oh sorry. This one is pinky, and it's like this. There. And the other one is this NYX Flush Red. And it's look like that. And let's start with this Nivea. This is Hortensia 19. So there. This is the color. There. And oops, I hope you can see this color. It has pink undertone and it's creamy. It doesn't have glitters. And this MAC Lovelorn color. There. And let's start with the NYX Milan. So this is the Milan. I ordered two Milan because I very like Milan. I'm using it right now. So here's the color of Milan. It's like a nude one. And this is pumpkin pie. So here's the color of the pumpkin pie here. And the next one is this Tea Rose. So this is the color of Tea Rose. There. So the next one is this Heather. And this is the swatches of the Heather. Oops, here. Oh, it's here. There. Milan and Heather are the same, but Heather is a lighter tone rather than Milan. So the next one is Sears. I'm sorry, but I broke the Sears because of its creaminess. So I can't show you the whole lipstick. So these are the color of the Sears. There. Very nude. And it's like a frosty color. And also the Frappuccino, I broke it. So these two are very creamy. So this is the color of the Frappuccino. shade there. And I got two new shade of the NYX lipstick. This is Gala or Gala, I don't know. And they also have different scents. It scents like a candy. So this is the color. This is very frosty and it has glitters. And this is the paparazzi. Oh, so this is the paparazzi. There. I forgot to show you the Gala. So this is the Gala. It has glitters and it's so frosty. There. See, did you see this? And this one is the paparazzi. Where is it? Oh, there. So that's the last. I don't like the scent of the new shade, but they are not also creamy like the old shade. So, and at the last part of the video, I will include the pictures with and without flash, so you could see more of the shade of the NYX lipstick. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.